Hello dear kids, how are you? Now we are going to discuss chapter 10 from your NSO Olympiad workbook. Let's start. Chapter name is Earth and Universe and topics cover are our solar system, sun, moon and stars, earth and its landscape, day and night, light and shadow. So, in this chapter, the topics are our Earth is very beautiful planet. This is our Earth. We are discussing about our Earth. Earth is a very beautiful planet. It is round like an orange. So, what is the shape of Earth? It is round. Our Earth is the only planet known to have plants and animals on it. So, it means Earth is the only planet where is life possible, where we can find plants which are living things, animals which are living things. Earth has air and water. Different landforms like mountains, valleys, plains, plateau, hills, water bodies like ocean, rivers, etc. are found on the Earth only. Earth moves all the time. Its movement is of two types, that is rotation and revolution. Guys, this is very important. So, Earth moves all time with two movements. One is rotation and one is revolution. What is rotation? This is rotation when Earth rotates in a direction around a axis, and revolution when it is circulate or move around another body like sun. Rotation goes day and night, while revolution goes changes in the season. Yes, when rotation goes, then it comes day and night. When revolution goes, then it changes season. We have main four seasons in our India, that is winters, summers, autumns and spring. So, did you get it? What is rotation and what is revolution? So, here is the sun. Sun is a huge ball of fire that gives us heat and light. It is a nearest star. Sun is a star first thing, and that is the nearest Earth because Earth revolutes around the sun. This is moon. Moon is our closest neighbor in the sky and has mountains and valley like Earth. It has no air. It has mountain, it has valleys, but it doesn't have air. It has no light of its own. It doesn't have any light. It appears to change its shape as it moves around the Earth. So, its shape, this is full moon. Then it appears to change and moon is decreasing its size like this. Then it comes crescent moon. Then it comes to half moon. Then it comes to no moon. There is no moon after 28 days. Next is here stars. So what we have in the sky, we can see from that is sun, moon and stars. What are stars? Stars are huge ball of fire very, very far away from us and twinkle in the sky at night. This is called stars. Light helps us to see things around us. A shadow is a dark place where little or no light reaches. Anything that blocks light from passing through it is called shadow. So what is shadow? When a thing blocks light from passing through it, then it goes shadow behind the thing. What is this? This is the picture of our solar system. This is the sun. This is the huge ball sun, and other are the 8 planets around the sun, which revolve actually around the sun. They revolve around the sun, and nearest planet on to the sun is Earth. There are 8 planets in the sky, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. This is our solar system. The sun and 8 planets are part of the solar system. These planets are round objects that move around the sun in a fixed orbit. As you can see, these thin lines, these are the fixed orbit in which the planet move around the sun, like this. Here's a planet, here's a planet, here's a here and here. So this is our solar system. Let's start questions. Question 1 is, which is the smallest planet in our solar system? So Mercury is the smallest planet of our solar system and it is nearest to the sun. This is option A, Mercury is the answer. Number 2, X is the farthest planet from the sun in our solar system. What is X? X is Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet, मतलब सबसे दूर, जो सन से सबसे ज़्यादा दूर है, that is the farthest planet, that is Neptune. Option A is right answer. Option 3 is, a low land between two mountains is called. Low land between two mountains, that is called valley. Option D is the right answer. Dams, what are dams? Dams are the barriers, or you can say big walls which stop the flow of river towards the cities, that is called dam. Hill, what is hill? Hill is a small mountains are known as hills. Plateau is the flat surface, or that is plain area, that is called plateau. Option D, valley is the answer. For between two mountain area is known as valley. Question 4, which of the following statement is incorrect about the sun? Option A, the sun appears to rise from the west in the morning. Yes, sun appears to rise from the west in the morning. This is incorrect. Sun rise from the east. Sun rise from east and set on west. Set in the west and rise in the east. So this is wrong statement. So it can be incorrect answer. The sun make the days warm and bright. This is right. Because of sunlight or heat, the days are warm and bright. The sun is a star. This is absolutely right. Sun is not a planet. It is a star. Sun give us light and heat. Absolutely right. Sun give us light and heat both. So option A is the incorrect answer for the sun, that it rise in the west. It actually rise in the east. Option A is right answer. Question 5. There is a tree in Suchi's backyard. She marked shadow of the tree at 3 different positions. So first, this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. These are the different position of the tree's shadow. So different time are shown in the given picture. When would most likely she have her lunch? When would she have her lunch? She would have lunch. Look, this is east, this is west, this is north and this is south. This is east. Sun rise from the east. When sun rise from the east and it goes to west, this to this way, this to this, and here it is set. Here it rise, here is set. So when shadow is of first tree is here, it means sun is rising. Sun is rising because if sun is here, the light is here. If the light is here, shadow is behind the object. It means shadow is here. When sun is here, then the tree will be here and shadow will be here. When the sun is here, here will be sun. Then the tree will be here and shadow will be here on 3. It means on the between 2 and 3, it means this is the breakfast time when sun is rising. When sun is rising, this is breakfast time. Here between 2 and 3, here is the sun shadow here and here. Here is the lunch time, 2 or 3, between 2 or 3 shadow. This is lunch time, between 2 and 3 shadow. Option C is the right answer. Because people have their lunch in the afternoon, that is around 12 or 2 p.m. according to the given picture, shadow 1 is formed in the west direction. This is west direction. If picture is in west direction, it means sun is rising from the east. But when we come into second shadow, here sun is in the mid, because their the shadow is in the south direction. South direction means if the shadow is in the south direction, it represents that the noon time, afternoon time actually. This is afternoon time. But when the shadow is here, it is in the almost south end, between south and east. It means this is afternoon, evening time. This is actually evening time, where it will be 3 or 4 o'clock time. So this is evening, this is breakfast time, and this is afternoon time. So she will take lunch between 2 and 3. That's why she will take lunch in between 2 and 3. Question 6 is the day and night are caused due to dash of earth on its own dash. Look, I already told you earth moves like earth shows two movements. One is rotation and other one is revolution. I already discussed it with you. So when earth rotate, the day and night are caused when earth rotate. Revolution cause season change actually, and rotation cause day and night change. And what is rotation? I already told you, when earth moves around the axis, that is called rotation. Revolution means sun is moving around the sun. This is sun and here is earth, and earth is moving around the sun. That is called movement of earth, that is revolution. They are asking about the day and night change. Day and night change means it goes by rotation. So it means A and C are wrong answer, because here is revolution. Maybe B and maybe D the answer. So second one is, this is called orbit. Revolution will be done in the orbit only. In different orbit, planet revolve around the sun. But I already told you rotation will be done in the around the axis of the earth. So here axis is the answer for the day and night. Rotation and axis. Orbit is come with revolution only. So option B is the right answer. Next question is, select the option that correctly identify X in the given sequence of planets. Venus, Earth, X and Jupiter. What is X? Here Venus, Earth, X, Jupiter. Look, sequence of planet is, first is Mercury, Mercury. After that Venus comes, after that Earth, and after that Mars, after that Jupiter, after Jupiter that is Saturn, after Saturn that is Uranus, and after Uranus it is Neptune, Neptune. So this is the sequence for the planets. So they are asking after Venus, Earth but before Jupiter. Venus, Earth but before Jupiter it is Mars. You can see here, it means option D is the right answer. Next question is, Harsh looked at the moon from his window. It was shining brightly in the sky. Where does the light come from which make the moon shine? Yes, option A, the moon reflects the light falling it from the sun. This is absolutely right. Look, moon doesn't have its own light. Its own light moon doesn't have. It means moon is a. But when sunlight reflect on the moon surface, it shines. So it reflects the light falling from the sun to the earth or in the space. So it means that's why moon reflects the light of the sun, that's why it shines. So option A is the right answer. This is the actually process. Option B, moon has its own light. No, moon does not have its own light. Option C, moon gets its light from satellite. No, satellite doesn't have a light. The moon gets its light from the earth. No, earth doesn't have its own light. So option A is the only right answer. Next question is, match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct options. Column 1 and column 2. A piece of land surrounded by water on all the sides. That is called Iceland. D, 1 ka D. A very high land is known as mountains. These are called mountains. A piece of land between two hills or mountains, I already told you, this is valley. A large area of flat land, that is called plain or plateau. A large area of water surrounded by land, that is called lake. Option A here and B here. So, where is 1D, 2E, 3C, 4B, 5A? Here it is. Option D is right answer. Next question is, complete the following paragraph by selecting the correct sequence of words. Dash, rotate from dash to dash on its own dash. Its rotation goes day and night. So which rotation goes day and night? Earth rotation goes day and night. It also revolves around the sun on a fixed path called orbit. I already told you, Earth is the planet, this is sun, that is earth, and it revolves around the sun in a fixed orbit. This fixed area is called orbit. In this orbit, earth revolves around the sun in a fixed path. This is called fixed path because in fixed orbit it revolves. So here what they are asking dash rotate from dash to dash on its own dash. Yes. So which is the thing rotates on its own? Dekho, in all this earth and sun doesn't rotate, it means earth rotates. If earth is rotate, I am already told you that is earth, that which is rotate on its own axis. Earth rotate on its own axis. Okay. So which thing is rotate? Earth is rotating from dash to dash. From dash to dash. Actually, earth rotate from west to east in this direction only. Like this. That is rotating. Okay. So it means this is west to east. It also revolves around the earth revolve around the sun on fixed path, that is called orbit. This is orbit in which earth rotates. This is called orbit. So which is the answer? Answer A is the right answer. Next question is, the given diagram shows shadow of a pole at different times on a sunny day. In a diagram A, this is diagram A, the pole casts the shadow at 10 a.m. What time the pole will cast the shadow? Diagram B. What time? At what time it will cast this? This is 10 a.m. Look at the picture. This is the north, it means this is south, this is east, and this is west. Sun is rising from east. If sun is rising from here, this is the east according to this. If sun is rising from east, then its light goes to this direction, and this is 10 a.m. After some time it will come like this, and here. When it comes here, then sunlight give this shadow. This is, and we need to find out what is the time here. Here we have already given, that is 10 a.m. morning time. So what is the time here? This is what is the time. So look at the picture. Now what is the concept of making shadow? Look, when sun rise from east and when sun set from west, then the shadow will be the longest. Look, if the object is here, sun is rising here, the shadow will be here. If this object is here, same place, but the sun is here now. Here it is east and here it is west. Then sun shadow looks here and the shadow will be here. But if sun is in the middle here, then shadow size will be decreased like this here. When sun come east to west, then in the mid, that is the shortest size of the shadow. Longest on the beginning and at the end, but in middle that is shortest. Slowly it goes decrease, and after some time in the noon, after noon it will be again increase the size of shadow, but longest will be at the morning and at the evening. So here we have 4 times. A 9 a.m. No, 10 a.m. is the first shadow. This is wrong. B 12 noon. When it is noon, it means shadow will be decreased, but here it is longer than this shadow. It means this is also wrong. 2 p.m. 2 p.m. is the afternoon time where the sun is on its head, object's head. It means shadow will be smallest at this time, but here shadow is the long. But in option 4, it is the 4 p.m. It means it is the evening time where sun is about to set. It means it is at the west side. So here will be shadow increase. It means the option D is right answer. Option D is at 4 p.m. is the time where the pole B shadow formed. Question 12 is, refer to the given picture. What time of the day does it show? East, west, north, south. As you can see here, this is the pole and here is the shadow. Look, when shadow form, what is the time when shadow forms? Shadow form exactly the light source, behind exactly the light source. Here is a pole, here is a traffic pole where the shadow behind actually traffic pole. It means light source is here. Here is light coming and here shadow formed. It means light is coming from exactly from east direction. Here you can see pole is exactly on the, shadow is exactly on the west side, because shadow is exactly behind the pole. It means behind the pole means it is exactly on the west side. If it is exactly on the west side, it means light source is coming from the east side. So it means sun is in the east side when the shadow formed. It means it is the morning time only. Option C is the right answer, because sun rises from the east in the morning. Next question is, dash has no role in change of season at different place of earth. Option A, देखो मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी लेसन के इनिशियल में बताया था कि when earth revolute around the sun, then season change may cause. Earth revolve around the sun in fixed orbits, then season change cause. Dash has no role in the change. What is no role? We should find no role. Option A, earth tilt on its axis. This is the, yes, this play also role in the season change, because here is the earth axis and earth is little bit tilted on it like this. So this may cause season change like this. Earth is axis like this. So option B, rotation of earth on its axis, no. This cause only day and night, not season change. So there is no role of option B. Option C, revolution of earth in orbit. This is the only reason why the season may change may cause. So it has also role. All of these no, because option B has no role in season change. So option B is the right answer for this question. Question 14, select the incorrect statement. Option A, forests are large land areas covered with trees. Right, forests are large land area covered with trees. Plateau is the highland which is flat on top. I already told you flat plain surface is known as plateau. Hill is a small low mountain. This is also right. Hill is a small mountains. Pond is a large water body surrounded by land on 3 sides. No, this is wrong. It is surrounded by all 4 sides, not 3. All 4 sides they are surrounded by the land. So this is incorrect statement. Option D is right answer. Next question is, study the given table carefully. Original length of flagpole 5 meter. Approximate length of shadow of the flagpole is 8 am 6. Approximate length of shadow of the flagpole at 10 a.m. 4 meter. Approximate length of the shadow of the flagpole at 1 p.m. 3 meter. So what will be the approximate length of the shadow at 5 p.m.? Look, that is the original length 5 meter. Approximate length of the 8 a.m. Almost sunrise from the east at around 6 a.m. Okay, at a.m. the shadow is longer than pole. It means this is morning time, because in morning and in evening sun is the farthest from the object, so the shadow is the longest. In afternoon and in between day, in east longest, in west, from west it is longest, but in between this the shadow goes decrease from till here, and then slowly it increase till here. So longest and east and west. What will be the approximate length of the shadow at 5 p.m.? At 5 p.m. it will be equal to the length of at 8 p.m. because it is early morning time, this is early evening time. It will be longer than 6 meter? No. It will be longer than 4 meter but shorter than 6 meter? Yes, it can be possible. It will be longer than 4 meter because at 1 it is 3, at 10 it is 4. So here it will be 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12. After before 2 hour it was 4. So after 2 hour it will be 4 also. So here 8, at 8 it means at 5 around it will be 4 to 6 meter only. On 5 o'clock it will be between 4 to 6 meter only. So shadow will be between this. It will be longer than 3 meter but shorter than 6? No. Longer than 3 not. It is the mid noon time. It will be longer than 4 meter, not 3. It will be longer than 3 meter but shorter than 4 meter. Wrong, absolutely wrong. Here 10 a.m. 4 a.m. it means at 3 it will be 4 meter. If I am going opposite, it is east and it is west, this is mid time. Here it will be equal, then here it will be equal, like this. We can approximately find it, not exactly. So the shadow will be longer than 4 meter only, because if the time, here it will be 8, here it will be 10, here it will be 1. If it is after 2 hours, so after 2 hours it will be, here it will be 4. And here it will be 5. Sorry, here it will be 3. And here it will be 5. At 3 a.m. it will be 4 meter again. And at 5 after 2 hours it will be like this according to 8 a.m. So it will be between 4 meter to 6 meter only. Option B is right answer. Next question is, Kunal is marking Amit's shadow at different times of the day by placing stones on the ground. At time D, Amit's shadow is the longest. At D time it was longest. Whereas at F it is the shortest. Here it is shortest. In the mid afternoon it is shortest, and in the evening or morning it is longest. Select the correct option regarding this. Here it is Amit. D is longest but F is shortest. So it means D is the morning time and F is the afternoon time. So here it will be PM only and here it will be AM only. Sunrise from east goes to west. The shadow will be longest on east and on west. E is the morning time, AM. West is the evening time, PM. And here it is afternoon, in between. In afternoon, shadow is shortest. If F is shortest, it means this is afternoon time. I already told you. Longest shadow will be in the evening. So it means this is the evening time. So here it will be, look, if the shadow is shortest, it means F is the smallest time, afternoon time, that will be 12 to 2. Or E is the longer than F and D is the longest. It means this is D is the evening time, around 4 to 6 it is. So let's check where are the option. D is 4 to 6. Here 4 p.m. both are 4. but E will be afternoon time, 12 p.m. and 12 noon. Noon, here it is not 12 noon, it will be 2 p.m. because this is the shortest and this is the shortest to more than, and at 12 noon it will be shortest only. So it can be like this, and here it is 11 a.m. either here it is 12 noon. 11 a.m. is wrong because 12 noon it is will be shortest only, because in afternoon it is the shortest image. So option B is the right answer. Question 17 is, what will be the shape of shadow formed on the wall when magnet L and K are placed? L and K. This is L and this is K. They are placed between the light source. Here it is wall, it is light source, and they are the magnets. Look at the light source and look at the shadow. This here will be shadow form. This circle not possible. Dekho, there is circle and this is half circle. Okay, and if light is coming from it, for light it is they are on the same plane. If light is coming from it, light will be like this. They are saying like this. It means like it's flat, एकदम flat डायरेक्शन में लाइट इधर जा रही है. ठीक है, इट मीन्स यहाँ पर भी बिल्कुल फ्लैट ही शेडो बनेगा. नो सर्कुलेट, नो सर्कल, नो नथिंग. सो ऑप्शन डी विल बी द राइट आंसर. Next question is, read the given conversation and select the correct options. Suhani, Japan is called the land of rising sun. Vikas is saying sun is the closest star to earth. So select the correct option according to their conversation. Option A, Suhani is right but Vikas is wrong. No, they both are right. Both Suhani and Vikas are right. This is right answer because Suhani is also saying right thing that the land of rising sun is Japan, because from on our earth very first ray of the sun comes at the place with that is called Japan country. Because sun is the closest star, this is also absolutely right. Sun is the closest star to earth. So they both are right. It means option B is the right answer. Question 19 is, which of the following statement incorrect? Mars is the hottest planet of our solar system. They are asking about the incorrect statement. Look kids, we should find out incorrect only. So Mars is the hottest planet of our solar system? No, Venus is the hottest planet of our solar system, not Mars. Mars is known as red planet. Object that given out their own light are called non-luminous? No, they are called luminous, not non-luminous object. This is also wrong. So they both statements are incorrect. Earth is the fifth largest planet of the solar system. This is absolutely right statement. A shadow is always formed on the opposite side of light source. This is absolutely right. I already told you many questions about that. So first and second are the wrong, incorrect. Option A is right answer. Question 20 is, select the correct option in reference to the given word chop table. In reference are what? This is natural satellite of Earth is 9 and 14. 9 is Ura and 40 is Uranus. No, this is absolutely wrong. Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system and no, because moon is the natural satellite of Earth, not Uranus. This is incorrect. Hottest planet of our solar system, 4, 12, 7. 4 is Mer. This is MER. 12 Q Re. 7 Re. This is also wrong. What is the hottest planet? Already told you. Yes. Which one is the hottest planet of the Earth? Venus is the hottest planet. So this is also wrong statement. Smallest planet of our solar system is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet, and here it is saying Mars. This is wrong. This is wrong. Mercury is the right answer. Largest planet of our solar system is Jupiter. So let's check. 8, 10, 15. This is 8 is Ju, 10 is P, and 15 is TER, Jupiter. This is absolutely right. Largest planet is Jupiter. Smallest is Venus. Hottest is Venus. Smallest is Mercury. And natural satellite of the Earth is Moon. So option D is the right answer. So kids, here we learn about chapter Earth and Universe. Learn this question, their statement, their methods of solving questions. Repeat this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel KVS Coach. Don't forget to press bell icon to get notification for each new video. Thank you. Bye bye.